Everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 2 to the power of t plus 2 to the power of minus t equals to 4, and we solve this problem for the values of t. So here the very first step we are going to do is first we need to remove this negative sign from the exponent. So in order to remove this sign, we need to multiplying both of the sides by 2 to the power of t, so that when you multiplying 2 to the power of t, it will be written as 2 to the power of t multiplied by 2 to the power of t plus 2 to the power of t is multiplied by 2 to the power of minus t equals to 2 to the power of t multiplied by 4. So now in the next step we need more simplification. So here you see that the bases of these two terms are same, so that we add its exponent, so it will be written as 2 to the power of 2t plus, similarly you will add the exponents of these two terms, so t minus t equals to 0, and here we have 4 times of 2 to the power of t. So here you know that something if you have something exponent 0, it is always equals to 1. So we will obtain here 2 to the power of 2t plus 1 is equals to 4 times of 2t. So here we apply the nice exponent law. You know that if you have a to the power of m multiplied by n, we write it as a to the power of m to the power of n. So according to this rule, we will just we break this value here, and it will be written as 2 to the power of t and its whole square plus 1 equals to 4 times of 2 to the power of t. So now here we need to take our x is equals to 2 to the power of t. So when you replace x equals 2 to the power of t, we will write our above equation as, so this is implies that this will becomes x square plus 1 equals to 4 times of x, and here we move this 4x in the left hand side, and it will be written as x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. So this equation will becomes quadratic in x variable, so that here we will use the nice quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation. So that first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4, and c is equals to 1. And we know about the quadratic formula. It is stated as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and now we will substitute the values of a, b and c here, and it will be written as the value of b is minus 4. So when you substitute it here, this minus times of minus becomes plus 4, and plus minus square root of this is b square, and b is minus 4, and this minus 4 square equals to 16 minus this is 4 times of ac. So here our a is 1 and our c is also 1, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. So we get here 2 only. Okay. So further in the next step we need some simplifications here, and it will be written as x equals to 4 plus minus square root of this is 16 minus 4 equals to 12, and it is divided by 2. So here we rewrite this expression as 4 plus minus, we write this 12 as 4 times of 3, and it is divided by 2. So here you know that 4 plus minus this is square root of 4 equals to 2 times of square root of 3, and we break this fraction. We write this 2 separately on both of these values. Okay, so this implies that this is 2 times of 2 is 4, so we get our x equals to 2 plus minus this 2 is cancelled out by this 2 and square root of 2. So these are the two values of x, and now here we need to move backward in order to find the values of t. so that here we separate these two values. Here we write the positive value, it is 2 plus square root of 3, and here we write the negative value, it is 2 minus square root of 3. And now we need to back substitute the value of x, and we know about the value of x is 2 to the power of t is equals to 2 plus square root of 3, and in this case we have 2 to the power of t equals to 2 minus square root of 3. Okay, so now here we need to move forward to solve these equations for the values of t. So here we need to take the log on both of the sides in order to find the value of t. So it will be written as log of 2 plus square root of 3. Similarly, in this case we again take log on both of the sides, and we get log of 2 to the power of t equals to log of 2 minus square root of 3. So further here we move this t in the front of this log, it will be written as t times of log 2 is equals to log of 2 plus square root of 3. So we move this log 2 to the right hand side, and we get our t is equals to log of base 2 and 2 plus square root of 3. So this is our first value of t in this problem. And now here, in order to find the other values, we need to move forward to solve this equation. So here we again move this t in the front of this log, and it will be written as t times of log 2 equals to log of 2 minus square root of 3. So here we move this log 2 to the right hand side, and it will be written as log of 2 minus square root of 3 divided by log of 2. So here we again apply the property of log, and we combine these logs, and it will be written as t is equals to log of 2 minus square root of 3 with base 2. So this is the our final two values of t in this problem. Okay, so now here in the next step we need to verify these two values of logs. So that in order to verify these two values, we need to copy down our given question statement here. So that our given question statement is 2 to the power of t plus 2 to the power of minus t equals to 4. Here I can just verify one value of t, and I can just left the second value of t for up to you. You can do the second value by yourself. So here we will put this value, or we will verify this value, and you can verify this value for yourself. Okay, first we makes one step here. So we write it as 2 to the power of t, we write this term as 2 to the 1 over 2 to the power of t equals to 4, and here we substitute the value of t. So the value of t is log with base 2 and 2 plus square root of 3, plus this will be written as 1 over 2 to the power of log with base 2 and 2 plus square root of 3, and this is equals to 4 or not, we will claim this. Okay, here we can apply the nice formula. So according to this, you see that the bases are same, so we write it as 2 plus square root of 3, and this is 1 over, we write in from here we write it as 2 plus square root of 3, and here our claim is check that is this equals to 4 or not. Okay, so here we need to take the LCM of this term. So the LCM is 2 plus square root of 3. So when you multiply it here, it will be written as 2 plus square root of 3 and its whole square plus 1 is equals to 4 or not. So here we need to expand this nice formula, and it will be written as 4 plus 3 plus 4 times of square root of 3 and plus 1 divided by 2 plus square root of 3, and here our claim is to check that is this equals to 4 or not. So that from here we need to simplify these terms. So we get here 4 plus 3 becomes 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 4 times of square root of 3 divided by 2 plus square root of 3, and we check that is this equals to 4. And now here in the next step we will take a common sorry, this is our 8. Okay, So we will take common 4 from the upsides, and it will be written as 4 times of 2 plus square root of 3, and it is divided by 2 plus square root of 3, and our claim is to verify that is this equals to 4 or not. Okay, so this whole value is cancelled out by this whole value, and we will get finally 4 is equals to 4. This shows that the value of t satisfies the given equation. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.